everyone, I am Srisa. This is your first lesson in Grade 3 Social Science. Today's chapter is Occupation and its types. Now we are going to take a recap about your previous topic. What did you learn in your previous class? Shall I tell you? Primary occupation. In primary occupation, people are directly involved in the extraction of raw material from the environment. In that, first we are going to see about farming. Most of population of India lives in villages. Farming or agriculture is the main occupation of the people in villages. The farmers grow crops which include grains, pulses, spices, fruits and vegetables. Next, rearing animals. Different animals are reared for different purposes. Next, dairy farming. Dairy farming is one of the most important occupations because milk is required in large quantities. Cows and buffaloes give milk, so dairy farming involves mainly rearing of cows and buffaloes. Next, cattle farming. Cattle farming involves rearing cattle like cows and bullocks. Bullocks are used for plowing fields and rowing carts. These are also known as draft animals. Next is fish farming. Fish farming or pisciculture involves rearing of fish. Fish is a staple food of many people. We get medicinal oil from fish. Processing and packing fish in tins is one of the major occupations related to fishing. Most commonly, the species of fish that are used for fish farming are salmon, catfish, carp, etc. Next, poultry farming. Poultry farming is one of the most successful occupations in our country. It involves rearing hens, ducks and geese. It is mainly done for meat and eggs. Next, bee farming. Bee farming is the practice of keeping and maintaining bees and their hives. A beekeeper looks after the bees. Bee farming is mainly done for honey, beeswax and various other products. Next, working in forest. A large part of our country is covered with forest. Many people work in these forests. Some cut trees which are used to make furniture. Wood is also used as fuel. Some people carry wood from forest to other places. Next, ant catching. There is an occupation called ant catching. People involved in this occupation catch ants to use them in ant farms. The ant catchers use a variety of methods for collecting ants. Most commonly used practice is hand picking of ants. Next, mining. The earth gives many things like minerals. These minerals lie deep under the ground. Metals such as gold, silver, iron, etc. are taken out by digging underground. Digging out of the ground is called mining. The people who are engaged in this profession are known as miners. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you few questions for recollect our topic. Refer your concept book in the page number of 11, 12 and 13 and answer the following questions in the note. Shall I tell you first question? Your first question is define fish farming. Define fish farming. Your second question is what is mean by poultry farming? What is mean by poultry farming? Your third question is which are occupations based on natural resources called? Which are occupations based on natural resources called? Your options are A. Secondary occupations, B. Primary occupations, C. Tertiary occupations. Your options are A. Secondary occupations, B. Primary occupations, C. Tertiary occupations. Your fourth question is, which of the following is not a primary occupation? Which of the following is not a primary occupation? Your options are A. Fishing, B. Agriculture, C. Mining, D. Transportation. Your options are A. Fishing, B. Agriculture, C. Mining, D. Transportation. Your fifth question is, define cattle farming. Define cattle farming. I hope that you all are enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.